In this video, you will see how to remove chart border in Excel. As you can see, I have this gray border around the chart, and to remove this gray border, we need to click on the chart to select the chart, then right click, and here you will see the option of Format Chart Area. After clicking on this option, Format Chart Area dialog box will appear. You need to click on this option, Fill and Line option, and under the border, you need to select this option, No Line. No line means the border will be removed. After selecting this option, close the dialog box and click inside the Excel sheet. Now as you can see, there is no gray border around the graph or a chart. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn Excel quickly. See you again in the next one.